was our first business class flight that we took from LA to Australia.
So this flight, which was part of our larger around the world booking, which normally would have cost about $20,000, only cost us $127. How are we able to do that? We used points and miles. So we earned a couple sign-up bonuses on 2 credit cards, transferred the miles to an airline, and booked an around-the-world trip in business class. So we're going to be doing more videos where we talk about how we're able to book amazing travel like this in the future. So make sure to subscribe and follow along if you're interested in that side of thing. Yeah. What do you think, babe?
This is a little better than normal.
Yeah.
Like we get a little bag.
Yeah.
We had these awesome lie-flat seats in semi-private cubicles. And since this was going to be an overnight flight, we got mattress pads, pillows, and blankets. Before takeoff, the stewardess came around with our pre-flight champagne, and she also gave us a menu to look through. They had a fully stocked bar and lots of wine, champagne, and coffee drinks like cappuccinos and lattes. Our amenity kits came with hand cream, lip balm, and face cream, as well as earplugs, toothpaste, toothbrush, an eye mask, and even socks. And then they passed out the jammies, the loungewear.
How are your first in-flight pajamas?
Snazzy.
I was very excited about this, and they were very comfy.
I'm so excited. We're going to Australia.
After takeoff, the flight staff came and took our dinner orders, handed out some warm nuts, and gave us more champagne. We settled into our cabins, and then they came out with a bread and salad appetizer. And then the main course. I got the salmon, and Tyler got the steak. I don't know how they do it on an airplane, but the food was amazing. And then we both got the chocolate mousse for dessert.
Sam's breakfast, freshly made, looks delicious. Some fresh pressed juice. Vegemite, of course, a staple. And beautiful croissant.
Also, Tyler ordered the stuffed pancakes, and they were so good.
I don't know what to do with all of these.
I'm about to try Vegemite for the first time. Stuff. Wow. That is intense. It's a very intense flavor. Much more intense than I thought it would be. It's very salty, very strong. It's almost like if you just put miso soup paste on the bread. I think Tyler should try it.
Oh. Oh wow. It's just like a little bit of butter, and then you just like loaded it up with salt. That's basically what that tastes like. Maybe a hint of cheese. Not at all. Very, very strong. Like one drop could flavor a whole croissant. So salty. Alright, we're almost to Brisbane, so I thought I'd do a little video about the little suite that we've been in overnight here for about 14 hours. We have this nice big screen here with lots of videos, and this is where we're at right now. Bed goes totally flat, which is really nice. So this is like control panel for the seats here. You can lay it flat or partially down or just extend the leg rest, however you like. There's even a nice massage button and several different lights. This here is the table, just pops out. And then you can have your breakfast. And then you've got lots of storage. Got a couple different charging ports. And then these are the headphones that they gave us for enjoying the in-flight entertainment system. They work pretty well. And a little amenities kit. And some snacks they gave us. Yeah, it's been a pretty sweet ride. Enjoying some last minute TV. You ready to say goodbye? Yeah.